Good morning, traders, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with the Euro USD, and what I've seen this morning is most Forex pairs are pretty much ranging again. So we're obviously waiting for some sort of a catalyst, some sort of noise to come through. So Euro USD did break through the top of this range, and we've pretty much come back into it. So if we just come down to the hour, you'll see exactly what I'm referring to here. Let's just minimize a little bit. So you can see each one of these tails is a level, and you can see what's happened right now is that we have broken through and tested this breakout. So one move down, one move up, I would expect sort of some consolidation further to the downside before buyers stepping in. So at the moment we are stuck in this range. Bottom end of the range is 117153, top of the range is 119152. So for me, buying off the top, selling off, buying off the bottom, selling off the top is the order of the day. But to be quite honest, I don't like the ranges, as we all know. So I will be leaving this one alone today. I'm not really interested in that. US dollar, Japanese yen, same kind of scenario. The only difference here is I do see this head and shoulders here. So there's a shoulder, there's a head, and there's a shoulder. A break below this area here of, well, actually it would be around there. So a break and retest of 105.277 would get me short, but really only for 104.393. If we just get to the hour, you'll see similar scenario to what we see. Total chaos. Here we had a pretty clear trend on the hour. You can see we were short, and now we're up and below the moving average. So sometimes this is what a change in trend looks like. It's pretty aggressive, above moving average, below the moving average, above the moving average, below the moving average, until it finds support somewhere and then moves, or till it finds resistance and then moves to the downside. So right now, this thing's ranging, another one which I'm staying well away from until we get a direction. Pound USD, pretty busy, and the reason I've left this in, I'll clear it now, but let's go to the hour, is we had this flag, break, retest, rally, and then on Friday we were looking for a retest of one of these areas here for it to continue. That didn't materialize, and we're right back where we were. So we just delete everything there, come back to the hour, the 8 hour, and you look at that scenario. What are we? We are ranging as well. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. Okay, and if you look at the daily on that, you can see what I mean. Up, down, up, down. That is total confusion, guys. Nobody knows what the hell to do right now. So for me, that is a pretty clear warning to stay away from this until we get a trend or a direction to trade in. Pound Japanese yen. It's exactly the same scenario. Big up, big down, big up, big down. So a lot of confusion around the pound at the moment. It does look like buyers coming in, but I'm not really willing to risk that at the moment. So pound pairs staying away from. Euro USD staying away from. Euro Canadian dollar does look like it's offering a potential trend change. Potential short area right over here. Okay, so this is 156015. So what we're looking for is a retest of that area. Okay, so trend is down at the moment. We're looking for a pullback, a retest of this area here. We start getting some bearish price action. That's probably a decent area to be short. And we've also got that trend line. So if price is back in this area where those two trend lines intersect, that would be a decent area to short. That's probably the only thing I can see. I know some of you are talking about the Aussie dollar at the moment. Aussie dollar is looking exactly the same as these pairs in my opinion. So I think we're waiting for a catalyst. If you look at everything, there's nothing really that's standing out that is trending on the major pairs right now that is interesting me. So we'll be patient and just watch those through today. There's Monday, not much happening today, so sort of the middle of the week we'll get data out which may drive it in a direction or other. But we'll have a look at the indexes. Maybe there is something in the indexes for us to trade today. But as I say, one that I'd looking at the moment is Euro Canadian dollar, but I just want to retest. So I'm looking for 156015, and then 20 or 30 minute rejection bars off there. So I want pin bars, inside bars, engulfing bars. So inside bar, there's an inside bar, there's an engulfing bar, there's a whole lot of pin bars there. So I'm looking for that kind of price action off this level. Okay, so anyway guys, that's my quick view on Forex today. It's kind of a money in pocket day and not really willing to risk anything right now. And anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.